Hello everyone. Today we have Birds of Prey Mystery Minis by Funko. There are 12 to collect. 5 of them are Harley Queens. 2 of them are pets. 1 Betty and the other girls who were in the movie with Harley Queen. Quite looking forward to open this one. I will try again to guess what's in the bag before I'll open it. So see how it goes. So let's have a look. I have 12 boxes to open. So let's go with the first one. Let's have a look. I've really enjoyed the movie when this came out. Probably should watch it again. It was a really good one. So right, so let's have a look. So something not too big. I think it could be Cassandra Cain. Yeah, let's have a look if it's a Cassandra Cain. Yes, it's Cassandra Cain, my number 1. So let's do the other one. Actually, let's have a quick look at the box because I really like the box. I really like these different colors, lips on the box. That looks so cool. Right. Oh, look. This one's already been ripped. So let's go. Oh, I'm sorry, Cassandra. I'm really sorry. Don't be angry at me. So let's have a look. So I did guess number 1. Let's have a look what's in the number 2. It's actually, sorry, I had a sneak peek because it was open. See if you can see what's in there. It doesn't, you can't really see, but it's Harley Queen in a really adorable onesie. I even didn't see that it has hearts all over them on the box. It's so sweet. But she looks really sad here. Love it. Love it. Probably going to be one of my favorites. Right. Oh, don't have to open this one. So let's have a look. Our box number 3. Right, let's have a look. What would be here? Oh. Hello, Bruce. Hyena with a leg in its mouth. Funny. Let's put it next to Harley. There you go. You have your pet there. Right, so that's what we've got so far. Going to the next box. Some of them seems already pre-opened. The plastic only, not the boxes. So it means that no one had a sneaky peek. Right, so let's have a look. Okay. So I think it feels like it's a Roman Sionis. A bad guy. Bad guy. Yeah. That's right. With this very cheeky smile. And a nice white suit. Let's put him over there. So that's 4 out of 12. promise I didn't try to make them in the size order. It just happened. Okay, let's have a look. Box number 5. It's nearly halfway through. The box number 5. Okay, let's try to guess again. See if I can feel anything in their hands. Oh, I think it could be Huntress. I think I can feel a crossbow in her hands. Yeah, Huntress. With a really cool crossbow in her hand. And pretty evil look. Put him up. Put her over there. So that's 5. 7 more to go. 7 more to go. Oh, was it enough? Yeah. So. Right. Okay. Let's have a look. I think that's another. I think it's another Cassandra. Oh no! Another Huntress. So we have 2 Huntresses. Oh look, if I'm going to put it behind it, you can't even see it. So, we are halfway through. 6 boxes open. We have 5 characters. Well, 6 characters, but 2 of them are duplicates. So basically, we have less than half collection. So let's see what's going to come in a box number 7. Take it out. Box number 7. I want to have more than just one Harley. I want to have all of them. Because they're so cool. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is Harley. This is Harley with a, I don't know how you call it, pom-pom sleeves. Yay, she's so cool. She's so cool. Look at her earrings. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. So many details. So cool. So cool. I am really, really happy. She's a really cool one to have. Right, so that's what we have so far. Box number 8. Box number 8. So it looks like a Harley Quinn, the last one I've got. It's 1 in 6. You can get them, the ratio. So right, let's have a look. Right, what do we have here? Harley. Yeah, Harley. Same one. Yeah. Twin sister. Okay, we can actually compare if the painting job is done as good. Because sometimes you can see sometimes really floppy paintings on them. But seems good. Hello, Carly. Hello, Harley. Okay. So I'm going to put her behind. So we can See, nice. Our collection in one line. So, well, so far it looks like I will need to buy more boxes to finish my collection. Which, it's not the first one for me to finish. I still have to finish Toy Story and Thor. So I will be ordering some more. Maybe I can just make a different video for, let's hope, finish my collection or something like that. So, oh, that has loads of air in here, this one. It's not that easy to touch. Oh, okay. So, I've got Black Canary. Yeah, Black Canary. Because I could feel her bat through the back. Really cool details, again, on her hand with all these rings and bracelet and a nose pierce as well. Cool. So let's put over here. Right, I have 3 more boxes left. Let's have a look. I really hope I'm not going to get any duplicates anymore. But who knows? Who knows? Wonder if I'm going to get a beaver. I think the other one that I definitely want to get is Harley Quinn on the rollerblades. Really want to have that one. Or roller skates, I suppose. Okay. Oh gosh, I can't even touch this one. It has so much hair. Look, it looks like a pillow. I don't want to pop it, but I can't even touch it. Okay, so. Ah, another canary. I should have known because the other one was full of air as well. Okay, so we have, so far, 2 Harley Queens with the pom-pom sleeves, 2 Huntresses and 2 Canaries. 2 more boxes to go. Let's have a look. Oh, guys, come on. I don't want to have any duplicates anymore. Duplicates are boring. Okay. If that's going to be another full of air, that's probably going to be another canary. So, let's have a look. This actually feels like Harley Queen. Oh, that's probably the one that I wanted to have because I can't feel any features on her head. Yep, that is right. Harley Quinn on the roller skates. Yeah, bring it on. Love the helmet. And her skates. Look at them. They're so cool. They're sweet. Cool. Love her hair. Love it. Let's put her here. Oh, please stay, because she's going to be probably falling down. Oh, yeah. She is very tricky. Oh, dear. I have to glue her to the shelf or something. Right, I'm going to have to lay her down. I'm afraid she'll have to lay down. Can you please stay? Please, no, maybe so. Feels like it wants to stay, but... Okay, I'm going to put it down. Last one. Last box. So far I've got 3 different Harley Queens out of 5. I still miss one with a hammer. And there's another Harley Quinn with a hat and big sunglasses. So this is a Harley Quinn. And this one. So them 2 I don't have. Let's have a look what comes in this box. Okay, judging by the ponytails, that's Harley Quinn. Yeah, same one again. Oh, let's see if this one will stay. Will you stay? Yay! Look, this one can stand up. Let's have a look. Oh, and this one wants to stand now. Come on, ladies. Right, so I'm going to put that one at the back. Don't fall. Alright, I'm going to lay her down. So, that is my collection so far. So I had 12 boxes, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 figures, and 4 duplicates. So basically, not that brilliant, but not that bad either. 2/3 of the collection is done. So I'm still pretty happy about that. And as I've mentioned before, my favorite one is probably the one with the helmet on, because she looks really cool. But yeah, so you will get another following up video at some point with me hoping to get the rest of the collection. So fingers crossed, I'll be able to finish my collection. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. So you've just seen my new collection, or part of my collection, Birds of Prey, and I could not leave this without any attention. Look at this box. It looks so cool. Sorry for my wobbly camera, but I had no other way to show you. Normally this box is coming with this part being white, but it looks so cool. I told you about those lips that I really like on the boxes, and the Harley Quinn with a helmet on the back and says, "No one is like me." Amazing. I love the box. I'm sorry, I know it's a bit silly, but I just could not mention how cool the box is on its own. And I'm definitely going to keep this box because it's awesome. I think I'm being a bit silly now. But there you go. Hopefully you will like the box, same as I am. Bye!